feel like months.
So guys,
Only feel like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
so hey guys, good morning. Say good morning, Romario. Romario, say good morning.
Good morning. Selena, say
Good morning.
Pops, look. Say good morning.
Good morning.
No, I know what.
Say good morning.
Mama.
Good morning.
Mama.
Good morning. Yes, sometime-ish. Hey guys, good morning. So we're finally starting work on the house today. I've been up early since hour 5 something. I got up this morning and started. I had some work to do for my business online, so I was getting that done. So yeah, and now I'm kind of just sitting here. Just finished had my tea and bathroom area and stuff like that to clean up the house. Combed his hair, as you see, he's all nicely dressed up.
More than 12.
And I'm just here. Mario's gonna go get us some breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast. So, I'm currently on the veranda today. Yes. So, let me show y'all. Cause it's breakfast, Faye.
That's not breakfast. That's a whole ass meal.
Nah, that's breakfast. It's the Caribbean breakfast.
How much people eat down here? How heavy they eat in the morning?
Yeah, but you remember they eat heavy, but yet they burn. So I need to pick up the garbage there. So they're gonna finish the what are these? The poles, the beams, whatever the heck they're called, the post. So they're gonna finish that. And yeah, just start working on the place. So that is the plan. And then we have another worker coming in to come and start inside here, inside the living room, so we can start the tiling and get this place painted and looking like a home. Yeah. Papa, bye. Say, Dada, you need to close the trunk. You can't put him in there and I'll put down the something there and go drive the car. Romario, you going away? Where you going? So, but I still have some more work to do. So I'm going to end up getting that, and I'm gonna try and see if I can get a video. I need to be editing. I'm behind on my edit. I haven't got the chance to do that, so I'm gonna try and get that done so I can get a video up for you guys. Yeah, so but I hope you guys are enjoying the Jamaica vlogs them so much. I know y'all been waiting on them, so here they are. Make sure you guys like up the video, subscribe and share, and tell a friend to come and join the William fam. Yeah, so definitely make sure to like up the video, guys, and interact and comment down below. 20 piece of what, steel? To go up to where you need to go. What, to go across?
Mario, I can't manage, you know. You can't come, that ain't gonna work. You know? You gonna sit in the bus? You gonna sit in the bus?
No.
Okay, that's why you can't come.
Hey, boy, look at that. I say yes.
Say yes. So I'm gonna
You
sit.
not in my target truth. You're not gonna sit in the bus, right?
Say I'm gonna sit, Dada. I will sit.
No, you're not gonna sit.
Yes, I'm gonna sit. So I'm gonna sit in my car seat. And I'll look, just wind the window down, you'll look through it.
No.
I'll bring my 9 juice. You think I'm tired, eh? But let me go get what I need to go get done. I'm just rebranding some stuff as well, so gonna get that done. And camera is about to die, so I'm gonna put it on charge and I'll be back later. So hey guys, so this is breakfast. My breakfast is here. So I have some cooked food, fried dumpling and saltfish and vegetables with, I already had tea, so I get a Pepsi. And this is my office for today because I'm currently here working on some stuff that I have to do. So that is what I am doing. Yeah, so gonna eat. The guys them are actually working, so I will show you that in a little bit. So you have Mario there, and the workbench is working. There's a render. Yes, they're rendering the walls. The living room become a mixing floor. So what is this you're building for?
They want sieve.
Well, what? Sieve?
Correct, sieve rendering.
Oh, a sieve to render sand. Yeah, look off all the way down. So after that is done, when it dries, then you can set them. Right through the wall. There's a.
Wait for.
Oh, wait, did it look like? Was it the AC something? The AC?
Well, okay, that's like this. Where did it go? Where did it go?
And these are pieces of board from dressers we're using. So I guess the boards and the chicken came in handy. Cut us can get used on a different project. Say something now.
Go on, man.
Alright guys, so as you see, this wall is finished. Yay, you can see the difference. You see the rough and see the smooth. So this part still has to get done. And there, and then this was still not finished yet. But as you can see, oh, and by the way, they did the walls there. So we'll see what we can get done for later. But yeah, as you see here, the work getting done. But you say my lifelong I'm careless with you? Me. Could never. You're what makes this a phone you call emergency? Okay. Yeah, they would. They would. Okay. Alright. There you go. So you see that side's not done. You see what we're getting done? Yeah. It's getting done. Oh, well, after this is all done, then we can get to the floral, the ceiling can get done. Because the ceiling is done, so the ceiling can get painted. And then the floor can finally get some tiling. Yeah, so waiting for it. Look, Mario over there playing in the cement. He's making cement dumplings. Yeah. Hey guys, so good night. I didn't even get to come back and show you guys how the place looked. Well, let me show you. Gentlemen did a very good job. Very fast working, so that is good. But this is what it looks like. So, well, it was raining, so the wall's drying as you can see, so that's why you see it in blotches. If you look, so he still has there to do. So he's gonna come back tomorrow. And then he finished all the top over there, so he's gonna get doors done. When you have nothing better to do. See what happens when you're sitting in your phone so much? Okay, and then he's, I guess tomorrow probably finish underneath the stairs, I guess, and then this side of the wall too, and that is it. So once this side of the wall is done, then we can literally tile the stairs and get in here tile. In here now, hopefully in here can get tile. As well. Mario, you did look to see if waterfall in here? Yeah. Yeah, the drip. So we're gonna have to go fix that. Yeah.
You know videos correctly? What a shame.
I know that in the bill correctly. I just did something there. So you have to go get in here, render 2 right here, sir. And this part here, look where the door is supposed to be. Look, down the drink water. And this side, look, this side now, something there either. But these, I guess you could do yourself. So, but that is pretty much it, guys. Oh. Oh, look, it's raining in my house. You see that? It's raining in my home. Look at that. Mario's gonna fix that. What? Because when the tile in here, we can't afford that happening. You see that? You guys see that? In here. It's okay for now because the floor, but it's gotta be fixed. Because the worst thing is to leave that and what? What do you mean? It's going to have to be fixed. Don't tell me about it. Don't have to. But yeah, that is it. We're about to eat. I just finished showered. And Mario showered and he's inside watching a movie. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't that much and I just didn't want to sit down and vlog the whole process of the gentleman doing the work. And yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye.